Alright, welcome guys once again to Finvest Alert, your one-stop channel to getting detailed tutorial videos on how to make money online. We also review other channels who are dropping well-detailed videos, so we give you the name of the channel and the title of that particular video. So please, if you like our content, you subscribe, you give it a thumbs up so that it can help us, go viral. YouTube will send it to every other person there. Help this channel to get to 1,000 subscribers so that we can monetize it ASAP. Thank you. So now let's get into today. The video I want to make is about AZCOINER. Here is the application, and for me this is a very big scam project. Maybe they might actually pay very well, okay, but what I see as scam is a breach of contract, all right, selfishness. So you can make your own research, or you can type on Google or your dictionary to check the meaning of scam, but for me this is it. So I don't want this video to be very long. Once it finishes loading, I'm going to show you what I mean. So now we are inside the application. By the way, it was loading for me to actually log in normally. So when you click on start, it loads and all that, and you watch an ad, and this is how these people are making their money, and yet they're about to just give us what I call the biggest scam, because they're about to stress us. I'm going to detail all of it, so stay put to the end of this video. You're going to enjoy it. Look at here, I clicked on my wallet, and right here it's not showing. Okay, I don't have any money in my wallet. It has not been transferred. But if I come to reward up here, click on reward, so you can see my reward. This is my reward, the one that I'm mining, right? Good. Now AZCOINER, it is locked. You can see it here, it is locked. So let's get back. Let me now show you the reason why I say these are scams. Back here you can see just this morning, this is 16th of January. If you can see my screen, let's come down, check the time. They posted this video exactly at 9:10 a.m. this morning, being 16th. So imagine a token, or should I say project, that will be mining for almost a year right now. They are just announcing that their listing is the next day, being 17th tomorrow, just as Virtus is going to be listing tomorrow. Now they say announcement, AZC listing on MEXC. When will AZ be listed? This is the question that has been asked the most by the community recently, and today we are excited to officially answer. Now AZC, being the ticker, right, will be officially listed on MEXC on January 17th at 14 UTC. Look at it here, 14 UTC, and 14 UTC is 2 o'clock p.m. But then for those of you in Nigeria, you do +1, it's 3 o'clock p.m. All right. So now they are showing here, they say open MEXC account in case you do not have, and then this is the guide for this withdrawal. Okay. Now before we go into that guide, let me come down. This is another message that just dropped before I decided to make this video. So they said the clock has struck. AZCTGE, all right, officially begun. Look at it here. So the information about all of this is here, the ticker, the contract address, you can see it, and below the guide again, which I was talking about. Now they say don't forget, AZCOINER will be officially listed on MEXC on January 17th at 14 UTC, which I've already said. All right, they say they are ready to break through. What about you? Now look at these scammers. You just come here to tell us that the TGE, look up here, that TGE is January 16th, and you're just posting it. Look at the time, 12:10 p.m. after the first one. Can you imagine? So now I can tell you that, look up here, they made a statement yesterday. They said we are aware that some devices, look at it, are experiencing a delay issue for unlocked tokens in the L2 wallet. I'm going to show you the L2 wallet. Rest assured your tokens are safe and can still be accessed. To verify your unlocked token, press the send button. I hope you guys are watching. There is a send button they're talking about here, but we are going to access their app if we can locate any send button, and that has been the issue. So if you're watching from US, Canada, anywhere, Nigeria, I would like you to also go into your own app and tell me in the comment section below if you saw any send button. I don't know, maybe I'm the one. Now, and you will see your unlocked token displayed in the marketplace. So a lot of this whole reading. So this one here, I'm going to show you about their investing plan. So this is their balance, their tokenization and everything. So I'm going to show you what will happen. Okay, we're going to read about this one. So let's go into the app so you understand it better. Now look at it. This is the L2, and I don't have nothing here, right? But if I click on my rewards, I showed you it's there and it's locked. So it's not unlocked yet, meaning I can't do nothing. So let's come to my home page down here. Click on home. All right, click on this dot on the left top of your app. So now come to KYC. Can you see KYC? Because you need to do your KYC before this. I think before this can be possible. Now let me tell you, I've been applying for this KYC for more than a month right now. So click on KYC. You see what they're telling me? They're checking my account status. Please, I should wait a moment. I don't know if it is going to be ready. They said thanks for your interest in applying to KYC. See a coin that is listing tomorrow. It's still telling me that I am they are thanking me for applying for KYC, and you will receive an invitation when one becomes available. And this is what they have been telling me for more than a month now. All right, so meaning that I'm not going to be able to see any token. I won't be withdrawing anything. And like I said, just impromptu, just this morning, they are announcing to their community that TG is going to be tomorrow. So if you do not have MEXC account, you're definitely going to be registering MEXC account right now and make sure it is verified before you can still trade. That's two. All right, it's good. So just in case you still want to be doubting, you can see they normally give news. You can see this is it. They said important announcement. You can see where I'm touching, and this was just 5 hours ago. All right, so if you click on this, you probably see the complete news of what I'm talking about. You see AZCOINER'S is going to be listing at blah blah blah. All right, which is what I'm talking about. You see. And this was just 5 hours ago. This doesn't make any sense. All right, it doesn't make any sense. And we've been checking in the application. I don't know if you've seen any send. Maybe I am not seeing send because I've not been able to do my KYC, which is not my fault. Like I said, they have not given me any KYC to do, and they're about listing, which is what I call fraud. People complained. I read it in the other in their Telegram, right? Where they said, oh, we are aware that people are having issues and blah blah blah, which is where they said you should click on send to be able to get your tokens, all right, out from the reward to this LP. L2 rather. Good. So now I'm sure you can be navigating like I told you guys. You should try and navigate. This is cryptocurrencies, top trending, and this is just where you see cryptocurrencies. This is for this other button down here at the left is for their news. So you see there is no send anywhere. All right, there's no send anywhere, so meaning I cannot do nothing. If you see send, maybe because you've done KYC, but like I said, I am not the reason I have not done KYC, and they just everything is impromptu. TG is just today, and you're announcing it today, and then you're listing tomorrow. Why the rush? Please tell me what you think about these guys. And you're vesting our coins for 20 good years. Oh my God, I've not heard of that before. This is wickedness. So let's get back. Now let's go and check the whole procedure, you know, about the... Okay, let's click on guide to withdrawal. Look at it here. Let's just click on that. Okay, so look at it. It has the ticker, it has the token contract address, and it's under Binance, which is BEP20. Token decimal is 18, and so these are the guides. If you've registered, you can go through all of this. All right, you see, this is very simple. So the website, all right, they say log into AZCOINER marketplace with your AZCOINER account. Do you understand? So this is what we're going to be doing. Let me click on it because I want to go into the marketplace. Remember, I don't have any token available for me to actually use. Now I have logged in, but when you come in, you definitely need to log in. All right, you put your password, that your AZCOINER password, so you can see my account right here, TechMoney at the top. Okay, so after that, the direction they actually gave us that will go to profile, I think so, and then you are going to click on withdraw token. Now you can see that I don't have any AZCOINER here. So what am I going to withdraw? If I click on withdraw token, basically nothing. You can see wallet balance, I have 0 here. You see, so I can't withdraw it. If I click on max, nothing is available. You see. And that is it, and it's listing tomorrow. Definitely people are going to dump it, and you know this. Yes, their token might pay or whatever, but this is you stressing your community out. You're not genuine. Now let's go to check these people's tokenomics and vesting period. Can you imagine? I don't know. These people are just so wicked. Okay, look at their vesting plan. So let me just click on that. I already opened it initially, but I still want you to see how it's going, so it doesn't look like I edited this video or something. So their total supply up here is 5 billion AZCOINER. All right, you can see for the community here 51%. Let's go down, see the tokenomics. All right, I want you to see something. I'm going to zoom in, just try and follow me. Look at it. This is the vesting plan here. So where you have community reward, let's zoom in, 51%, right? You can see my hand. So percentage on log at TG is going to be 15%. On top of all of this stress, it's just 15% they are giving. Now they are going to be vesting your token for 240 months. Look at it, vesting. They will give you 15% at TGE. All right, linear vesting starting after the first 6 months. I hope you can see it. I zoomed it. Good. Now, please, we are all educated people, I believe. Let's do a little calculation here right now. Let's just do small calculation. So we know that we have 12 months in a year. All right, so 240 months divided by 12. This is 20 years vesting. Who does that? Some people die and leave their token. So I guess your next of kin is the one to take it. So this is a pure scam. Like this is, I don't know. For me, this is not okay. All right. So tell me what you think in the comment section below, and then tell me the next video you want us to do. Please, for those of you who really need a good airdrop that you will do, there is a link below this video about Zoo. All right, and Bad Reputation. Bad Reputation is a new meme coin that is coming up and is going to do very well. They have partnered with a lot of persons, and just as you know, airdrop is 50-50, so you just keep speculating and don't think that you're going to make millions. All right, so if you want the videos, you say it in the comment section. We'll make another video on how you can do these airdrops. But meanwhile, the link is going to be in the description or comment section below. Please subscribe to Finvest a lot so you can support our work. Thank you.